puppet. Those jerky movements.
Now we know who behind robbery, Kemosabe.
The puppet master again.
That's right, Lone Ranger. This is the third and last time you'll foil my plans.
I intend to make it your last time, puppet master.
Then you shall have the chance to meet Shandar in person, if you have the courage.
Try me.
A ticket.
Shandar's Puppet Show. Washoe City.
Not go, Kemosabe. It a trap.
I know, Tonto. But I wouldn't miss this show for my life.
Ghost town, Kemosabe. Nobody here.
Shandar's here, Tonto. There's the theater. Today only, special attraction.
Death of Lone Ranger.
If I'm going to portray myself, I may have to change the ending. Let's go.
Ticket, please.
So, Shandar's a ventriloquist, too.
Check your guns.
No, Kemosabe.
We'll have to play by his rules, Tonto. For now.
Kemosabe!
Command performance. Only the Lone Ranger is invited.
It's all right, Tonto. I'll call out if I need help.
Front row center, Lone Ranger.
What?
Ah, a captive audience. And now Shandar presents the Gladiator. He could have killed you then, Ranger.
But the show would have ended before it started.
True. And I wouldn't have proved my puppet people are superior to real people.
If that's a challenge, I accept.
Then step up on the stage. The first act is about to begin. Meet your co-star, the Samurai Warrior.
Those sandbags.
Aye! Now you die!
Act 1 is over, Shandar.
Ah, but here comes Act 2, presenting the ballerina in her dance of death. Oh! Now, my beauty, now!
A very ungraceful finish.
But the final act will be your finish.
An excellent likeness, Shandar. Soon, only one Lone Ranger. Me.
Kemosabe! Which one real Lone Ranger? Kemosabe!
Kill him, Tonto.
Lone Ranger never shoot unarmed man.
The puppet show's over, Shandar.
Not yet. After I destroy this meddler, I'm coming for you.
Up here, Tonto. We must stop the gladiator.
Here I am, Ranger.
He's mine. Gone. So that's how it's done.
Watch yourself, Kemo.
This time, I will not fail.
Gladiator, you've got company.
No, no, you are my people. You have turned them against me. You know my secret.
That's right, gladiator.
Inside handsome giant, ugly little man.
And inside Shandar's real self, he's even uglier.
To the world, I was nothing. But to my puppets, I was everything. I was their master. You beat me, Lone Ranger.
No, Shandar. You were defeated by your own evil creations.